So we're doing a theme for Sneeze because somebody in the New York Times asked him, "Would you like to buy his book or not?" So Sneeze he kept saying yes, 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 yes.
And so basically, they're going to publish 100 Ways to Bug Your Parents and teachers in the New York Times.
So that this is a little prediction. Maybe the guy will scam him.
He works for the New York Times.
But does he?
Yeah, most likely because the mom was like, "Oh, is it Mr. Garrison? Is it Mr. Garrison?"
But you never know. It could be a scam artist or something But if he really is, which he probably is, that's a big deal for Sneeze getting his book published in the New York Times. His mom's probably really excited for him.
Yeah,
and he's probably really excited too.
So one thing is, I probably wouldn't trust him because you never know. You have to kind of meet him in person.
Yeah, I get calls all the time. Free cruise to the Bahamas. Just enter your credit card info.
That could be one thing. But you probably want to meet them in person first, so you know that they're actually that thing that they said they do.
Yeah, like I said, he could be a scam artist. You never know because they live in Texas, right?
No, they live in California. Northern California.
So there probably is some scam artists in there. I was thinking New York, I don't know why, but so it could be a scam artist because there's not I don't think a lot of people. It probably isn't a scam artist, because I don't think a lot of people will get a call that your book's going to be published in the New York Times. How would the scam artist know that he wrote the book, right?
Well, it could be in
in the first book, you didn't read it, but some guy found a copy of Sneeze's book on the ground and he published it. And then Sneeze found out the guy's name, and I think they sued him. And no, they didn't sue him. They just said say that it was actually Sneeze, and we won't press charges. And he did. So that's probably how they found out.
But the one thing is, they could show proof. If the New York Times guy was really a scam artist, they couldn't show any proof that he didn't. If he took the credit, they wouldn't have any proof that Sneeze actually wrote it.
They could probably get enough people to say that he wrote it.
Yeah, but if you just wrote a book and I took it and published it, how would everybody know? Nobody would know about their book, so and how would everybody know that you wrote it?
Yeah.
So it probably would be hard to see if it was actually Sneeze's if the man is a scam artist. Yeah, but that was just a prediction.
Yeah, and also if the New York Times might come up on TV on the news, and then if they say something like that, and they say it wasn't, it was some other person instead of Sneeze, then Sneeze is the only one know that he was probably a scam artist.
Yeah, this may be the first time that guy has done that, so nobody else would know about that man.
Okay,
so
do you guys think that wraps up our theme in 101 Ways to Bug Your Friends and Enemies?
Yeah.